Kìràkìtà dọlà, bá a ti wáyé pé a ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ là á rí is a Yoruba proverb that translates to haste leads to failure. When one is patient, one will achieve what they desire. Let me take you down to a story of two young farmers named Ajani and Kolawole. Ajani and Kolawole were known for their hard work and diligence in tending to their farm. However, they had different approaches to their work. Ajani was always in a hurry to plant his crops and harvest them as quick as possible. He believed that rushing would help him yield more crops in a shorter amount of time. He would plant his seeds carelessly and rush to water them, hoping for quick results. Unfortunately, this haste often led to poor crop growth and disappointing harvest. On the other hand, Kolawole was patient and meticulous in his farming. He took his time to prepare the soil, carefully plant his seed, and of course water them regularly. He would closely monitor the growth of his crop, ensuring they received the right amount of sunlight and nutrients. Kolawole's patience paid off as his crops grew healthy and strong, resulting in bountiful harvest. One day, Ajani saw the abundance of crops on Kolawole's farm and realized that his hurried approach was not yielding the same result. He decided to seek advice from Kolawole. Kolawole, what is your secret for having such a successful farm? Ajani asked. Kolawole smiled and replied, "My friend, it is simple. I take my time and am patient with my work. I make sure to care for my crops properly, allowing them to grow at their own pace. Remember, Kìràkìtà dọlà, bá a ti wáyé pé a ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ là á rí. Haste leads to failure. When one is patient, one will achieve what they desire." Ajani took Kolawole's advice to heart and began to change his approach to farming. He learned to be patient and attentive in his work, and over time, his farm flourished just like Kolawole. This story teaches us the value of patience and careful planning in achieving success, as opposed to rushing and cutting corners. Kìràkìtà dọlà, bá a ti wáyé pé a ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ là á rí. This story was written by Reuben Odunvaku. I am Omowumi Jimoh. Bye.